The following was completely generated by AI.
Ooh, I am free, so free. Move my body different, see me elevate.
Yep, my voice, this face, even what I'm saying right now, all powered by AI tools you can use too. Today on AI Next Unlocked, we're putting CapCut's Dreamina lip-sync tool to the test. But I'm not doing this alone. In just a second, you'll meet 3 AI-generated characters, each showing off what this tool can really do. First up is me, giving you the full intro and walkthrough. Then we'll bring in a brand new AI character. And yes, they're going to sing.
Ooh, I am free, so free. These walls know my rhythm tonight. Can't hold back.
Now that was fire. I don't know who programmed those vocals, but give that AI a Grammy. Not gonna lie, I wasn't ready for that level of vocal game.
Yo, wow. Everything you just heard and saw was created completely with AI. I'm talking the vocals, the music, the lip sync, the whole thing. Fire. All right, now that we've shown you what's possible, let's jump into how we actually made all of this using Dreamina. Step 1. Head to Dreamina's lip sync tool. Go to your browser and type dreamina.capcut.com. AI tool, video, lip sync, generate. You'll land on a super clean interface. Right up top, you'll see the option to upload an image. This is where the magic begins. Step 2, upload your character image. Click on Upload Image, and for this walkthrough, I'm going to use the avatar you saw in the intro, our main host character. It's a clean, front-facing image with good lighting and facial expression, perfect for Dreamina's facial tracking. Once uploaded, it'll pop into the preview box on the left. Pro tip, you want images with clear facial features and a neutral background for best results. Step 3, add your voice or music. Now you've got 2 options, text-to-speech, where you type a script and Dreamina reads it out loud, or upload audio, which is what we're using for this demo. Click Upload Audio. And I'm selecting the voiceover I created earlier using 11 Labs, with the voice style called Hope. It sounds natural, bubbly, and crystal clear. This is the same voice I used for our intro avatar, and also for syncing the performance of our AI narrator. Once both your image and voice are uploaded, Dreamina automatically lines up the lip sync. Click the big Generate button and let Dreamina do its thing. It'll take a few seconds, but what you'll get is a smooth, lip-sync talking avatar. Once it's done, you'll see a preview video with full mouth movement, blinking, and natural head motion. For example, this is exactly how we made our narrator character you saw reacting to the singers earlier.
Not gonna lie, I wasn't ready for that level of vocal game. Not gonna lie, I wasn't ready for that level of vocal game. Now that was fire. I don't know who programmed those vocals, but give that AI a Grammy. Now that was fire. I don't know who programmed those vocals, but give that AI a Grammy.
Ooh, I am free, so free. These walls know my rhythm tonight. Can't hold back. Move my body different, see me elevate. Can't disturb my rhythm, my dance, my fate. God might fall away like palm leaves in wind. Your back.
If it looks good, hit download to save the video to your device. You can now import it directly into CapCut, add music, captions, backgrounds, whatever you like. That's exactly what I did for the 2 singing avatars you saw earlier. One was synced to an Afrobeat instrumental generated using Riffusion. All I did was upload the static image, add the audio, and boom, Dreamina handled the rest. And that's it. Super simple. You just saw how I created 3 different AI characters, 1 talking, 2 singing, all using Dreamina's lip sync tool and Riffusion for the music. If you're a content creator, musician, or just someone who loves testing the future, this tool is a must-try. We'll be doing more Dreamina experiments soon. So hit that subscribe button and don't miss what's coming next on AI Next Unlocked.